In the pursuit of ultimate fun on the water, I searched for the most powerful sea scooter I could find, and I found the Firduo Sea Rover, a 4,000 watt powerhouse sea scooter. The Sea Rover packs 8 times the power of even Yamaha's most powerful dive scooter, which tells you your voltage, amps, and even the water temp. Diving below the surface, the springs can have a hypnotizing effect. Life is simpler down there. One breath, hold, dive. One breath, hold, dive. The world above can seem so complex these days. It's no wonder that I find myself diving deeper and deeper, crawling into the deepest holes and caverns that I can find, trying to sometimes get away, to experience even a few mere minutes of a simpler life. In my videos, I try to show the viewers who I am, but I feel like I've failed at that miserably. Many of my viewers probably didn't even know that I have a family, a wife, a daughter, and that's a big part of who I am. But you also probably wonder what drives me to dive amongst gators, to go into caves, and do all these crazy things. I do it to slow life down, to live, because life on the surface moves so fast, and then one day it's done. This Sea Rover is like getting superpowers. Ever since I was a little kid, when someone would ask me, what superpower would you like to have? I would always say, I want to fly. And right now, I am flying. This thing is awesome. It does like 3 times the speed of my other sea scooters. And in these crystal clear springs, it gives you the illusion and the effect of flying. It is just the most amazing feeling. I feel like a superhero. So the sea scooter can go at a rate of 15 kilometers per hour or roughly 9.32 miles per hour. What you can't see is oftentimes we're going against the current of the river. So it was pretty dang impressive with the Sea Rover while we ended up grabbing lunch. The Sea Rover has a low speed setting and it floats, so it's pretty family friendly. You can let your kids use it, or adults can go out and have fun with it too and put it in the high speed. Woo! Just flying! I could kind of tell that the bigger kid, the dad, he wanted to have some fun too, so we put it on high speed and he buzzed around the springs. Then it seemed like we started drawing a crowd in, and pretty soon everyone wanted to try this thing out.